So if you're gonna be out at the grill making something like burgers or steaks or hot dogs or any of those traditional sort of barbecue foods, sort of that direct grilling thing you're gonna be doing, not a low and slow brisket or pork butt, this is a great way to do probably one of the most popular sort of appetizer things people make, which is guacamole. Because all you're doing is using the grill you already got going to make some grilled guacamole. Now to start with today, I've got 4 avocados and a lime. And what we're gonna be doing are having the avocados, getting the pit out, just having the lime, and we're gonna go out, give them a quick grill on the Weber kettle, bring them back inside and put everything together to make that great grilled guacamole. So first, let's get the lime out of the way. Very simple, right along the equator. Now for our avocados, what we're gonna do is go the long way from pole to pole here. Just follow it around. Give it a twist. And to get your seed out easily, you just take your knife, be careful, give it a tap, a twist, comes out. Do another one here. We're going pole to pole. Twist. Their seed out, just like that. Now what I want to do with my cut avocados, I almost call them my cut guacamoles. I'm already thinking to the end result. Just going to take a little tray here, put a little olive oil, brush that around, because I want to get a little bit of olive oil on the avocados before they hit the grill. And I'm just going to put them cut side down on here. Move them around a little bit, get a little of that olive oil on. And our limes will go along for the ride, not in the tray. All right, let's head out to the grill. So I've got my bowl out here to mix in, which is kind of the opposite of what I do. I usually say, oh, I should have used a bigger bowl. I think this is a little oversized, but we'll make it do. And here is one of our avocados. You can see that nice char on it. It brings another level of flavor to the guacamole. And speaking of guacamole, there are thousands of recipes for guacamole. Everything from avocado and some salt, that's it, and that works, to the most complicated ones. I'm doing one that's a little bit of my own creation today. First thing we want to do is scoop our avocado flesh out of the skin. Get it in there. Always make sure that that little end of the avocado, the little stem connection point, doesn't get stuck in there. Sometimes it does. You might have to fish them out. If you're careful, it doesn't happen, but it'll come out eventually. You just need to look for it, like right there. Now I just want to get in here and start mashing these up. You can use whatever you want. I use a fork, sometimes a potato masher. Even a spoon will work sometimes. Just depends on how soft the avocados are. When you grill them, it does soften them a bit, so it makes it a little easier. You could even get in there with your hands and squish them if you want. It also works when the rounded edge is up, so that flat edge is down. That makes it a little easier. And really, you make it to the consistency you want. You want it kind of chunky? Do you want it really super smooth? It's totally up to you. Just give it a quick stir here to see if we got any super huge chunks. That's looking pretty good to me. Now I'm taking 1/2 of the lime we charred and I'm going to squeeze the juice in here. I'm also going to add 1/4 of a small red onion that's been diced. 1/2 of a jalapeno that's been seeded and diced, a teaspoon of granulated garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of a coarsely ground black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. We will taste and adjust for salt and pepper after we mix. And we mix now. Give this a little taste right here. Ooh. That doesn't need anything. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and plate some of this up and we are gonna have a taste. So I dished up some of our grilled guacamole here with a selection of different chips. Also have some lime wedges over here. Some people like to put a little guacamole on their plate with chips and squeeze some more lime into it, so we can do that if we want. But let's dive in here and get a taste. Cheers. Now you can definitely go simpler on this, like I said. Smashed avocado, some salt, pepper, garlic powder, that's it. But if you want to add those different flavors to it, this is something that's just terrific and easy, especially if you're going to be grilling out there, to just add that sort of char flavor. It's fantastic.